Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model another cat face in Maya in Blender. So I am going to model and little bit sculpt also. So let's start. So this is our cube. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple model of a cat sculpted in Blender. So I am new to Blender. I'm still trying to learn Blender. So here is very cute cat sculpted in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.